som skrev till Ahvenisranta.
Today is the 21st of 2021. Let's take a quick ride here. It's Insinöörinkatu. It will be Insinöörinkatu in Swedish. Building 42, they say. We can go to the Stekis B in the later times when we come here again. Because we don't have time now, we have to go to Havila.
Yeah.
Floors here, it was built by Valmet in 1984. And up on the hill it's 1985, but we can go there next time. And I think I also saw Conium there. I'm
Yeah.
not sure, but probably.
Yeah.
And the serial number is VS 6670, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. Turned 35 years old in 2019. 9 floors, and it's too slow.
Yeah.
And also that's why only 100 is enough. You can press the ground floor button when we go down.
Yeah.
Probably memory.
Yeah.
I like the doors here and there's
Yeah,
wooden color here.
Yeah.
It feels pretty early 1980s.
Spektiippaa kiva inspektant mietin vaikka.
But this could be still late 1984 finish then.
Yeah.
It's right next to the light rail line.
Yeah.
We're gonna check out Hallila, which is a 1990s suburb.
Yeah.
But we'll do it quickly.
Yeah.
And yeah, of course, we are still coming back here several times.
Yeah.
2 or 3 times if needed. To the locked off ones.
That's
But that's it, thank you.